are going to be showing you how to make some s'mores. You need some milk chocolate, we have dairy milk, mega marshmallows, great for s'mores, hobnob or any kind of biscuits, and some bamboo sticks, twigs, whatever. Today we're going to be making 2 types of marshmallows. These ones just get roasted on the barbecue, mini barbecue. This one, this is how big marshmallows are, so you have to go into 3. Move these off because this is the second type. You're going to put this on top, give it a good squash, and you're going to put it in the middle, give it a very good squash. Wrap it in the tin foil. Yes, we need tin foil for this one. If you don't have a barbecue,
so if you don't have a barbecue, where could you put this one?
you can put it in the oven. I'm just wrapping it like I wrap Daddy's cake. Here we have our little tin. We got our fire started, and remember to ask an adult because sometimes it can be very dangerous. We're going to roast this marshmallow.
Okay, so let me see the marshmallow getting roasted.
There's very much steam in my eyeball.
Okay, remember, keep your hand away from the fire. Good girl.
We are back in the house and we have our marshmallow that we just roasted. So we put this here, we put this on top.
Squish it and pull.
Pull the stick out.
That's it.
Push. But our chocolate is missing.
That's okay because it's got chocolate on the biscuit.
Yeah.
This is our lovely s'more.
Can I eat it?
Yes, of course you can.
Right.
Is it good?
That's good. I made another one. This marshmallow is way more melted.
Darcy, could you tell us what we're now doing?
Right now we're doing a different kind of s'more, the one that's wrapped in tin foil. We have both the s'mores here. This is the one on the barbecue wrapped in
tin foil.
Some tin foil. This is just a normal s'more, then you peel the stick out. It's just.
This one looks way more hot and gooey. I like this. Thank you.
I enjoyed making s'mores. I hope you did too. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great sleepover.